Welcome to this amazing channel, where today, we're diving deep into the world of hairline care. If you're dealing with thinning or receding hairlines, this video is for you. Let's get started. Here are some tips for maintaining and improving your hairline. Scalp massage. Regularly massage your scalp to improve blood circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Gentle hair care. Use gentle hair care products and avoid harsh chemicals that can damage your hairline. Healthy diet. Maintain a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals essential for hair health, such as vitamin E, iron, and biotin. Avoid tight hairstyles. Avoid hairstyles that pull strongly on your delicate hairline, as this can lead to further thinning and damage. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated, promoting healthy hair growth. Use a soft brush. Use a soft bristled brush to prevent further damage to your hairline. Avoid heat styling. Limit the use of heat styling tools, as excessive heat can weaken your hair and lead to breakage. Protect your hairline. Wear a hat or use sunscreen to protect your hairline from sun damage when you go outside on sunny days. Consider supplements. Consult with a healthcare professional about supplements that may help promote hair growth, such as biotin or omega-3 fatty acids. Consult a professional. If you're experiencing significant thinning or receding, consider consulting a dermatologist or trichologist for personalized advice and treatment options. Your hairline deserves the best care, and we're here to help. Like and subscribe for more videos on keeping your hair healthy and vibrant. Remember to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. See you next time.